Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to show you the entire process of filing your own taxes if you are in Canada right now. Before getting started, please subscribe to my channel and please like this video. Whatever websites I mentioned in this video, all the links are in the description. You can check them out. Not everyone are able to do their own taxes during this pandemic situation, so that's why they extended the deadline, which is a really good thing. And if you see, the due date for filing individual tax returns has been extended to June 1st, 2020. Taxpayers will have until September 1st, 2020 to pay any 2019 income tax amounts owed. You can go to an accountant who does the numbers and you can just pay him and you can just give him all the details and they're gonna take care. Otherwise, if you think that you have to file your own taxes, there are three ways you can do. Mainly, there are so many other websites, but in CRA, Canada Revenue Agency website, they suggested that you can go with turbotax.ca. You can go with Simple Tax, or you can also file your taxes using H&R Block. Out of these three, I suggest you to do with Simple Tax. It's totally up to you. But I've done our taxes using Simple Tax because it was so easy and it was a free website. So that's why I'm gonna show you how to file your own taxes using Simple Tax. And I'm not a certified financial some person. I'm just a random person on YouTube, and you should not listen to any random person on YouTube. That's the disclaimer I'm supposed to provide. So what you have to do is first create an account on Simple Tax, and if you're a couple, you file your taxes as a joint account, or you can file your taxes as a separate account. But what we have done this year was we filed our taxes in a joint account. First, I'm not gonna fill all these details because I already have done everything. I'll explain you the entire process very briefly. First, what you can do is fill out all your details: social insurance number, date of birth, and is this return for a deceased person. So yeah, as you're alive and you're filing your own taxes, you have to select no over here, and put preferred language as English or French, whatever you want. Fill out all the details like mailing address, your phone number, and about your residence. So let's say you have been to two different provinces or more than one province in 2019. You have to mention each and every province, and you have to mention where you have lived during the last financial year. As we have federal and provincial taxes differ from province to province, so you have to mention where you lived in 2019. So just assume Ontario and fill out all your residence details, addresses. Did you become a resident of Canada, immigrate for tax purposes in 2019? If yes, yes. But I generally select no because I didn't move to Canada to file taxes. For tax purposes. So that I would select no. Next, marital status. You can do whatever your status is. Do you have any dependents? Again, let's say you're not sure about what is who is a dependent. If you click on the word dependents, it will give you a clear explanation of everything. So that's a great thing about Simple Tax. Generally, dependents include children, parents, grandchildren, siblings, everybody. As we do not have any dependents in Canada, I go with no. If you have to select yes. So next is miscellaneous section. Did you own specified foreign property with a total cost of more than $100,000 in 2019? Again, if you have no idea about what they are asking, you can just click on that specified foreign property. Just read everything. I do not have anything, so I go with no. Next, did you dispose of your principal residence in 2019? No. And again, if you have any doubts about that, you can click on that. Are you filing an income tax with CRA for the first time? As I filed my taxes in 2018 as well, I just go with no. But if you are filing your taxes for the first time in Canada, you have to select yes. Are you a Canadian citizen? No. Are you a person registered under the Indian Act? No. Were you confined to a prison for a period of 90 days or more in 2019? No. So again, here is the important part. Climate action incentive. Will you claim the climate action incentive, which is carbon tax credit? So this roughly what I understood was they introduced this last year, and I claimed last year. I got that incentive because it was they're gonna increase the gas prices, so that's why you have to pay. You will get the carbon tax, something like that. Again, click on carbon tax, and you can read everything if you do not understand. If you are a couple and if you are filing your taxes, you like either one of you can claim the carbon tax credit. Both of you won't get it, so you can read everything. And actually we claimed carbon tax because it was applicable for us, so yeah, I'll put yes there. Ontario Trillium benefit. Again, if you don't know anything, just click on that and you will get a extension of what CRA says about it. Ontario Trillium benefit is for those people who are in Ontario, and you can claim, like, you pay monthly rent, so it's regarding that. I don't know the exact thing, but you can claim it. Just go with yes. Are you registered for CRA My Account? Yes, I already have a CRA account. Because if you have already registered with CRA account, I'll show you how to do that later in this video. So if you already have CRA account, you can click yes, and Simple Tax will get all your details from the Canada Revenue Agency account. Okay, next is climate action incentive. Please confirm this is, yeah, just go with yes, this is correct. Do you live in a small or rural community? No. As you go down, you will say add something to your tax return. So if you worked in Canada, you will have this form called T4 form. Just search for T4 and click on that. It says employment income. You had a job or were employed. So even if you are not in that particular job, if you have a T4, you have to fill entire thing. Just look at your T4 and fill everything here, and you can add multiple T4s. If you have multiple jobs, you can do that. If you are going to school, so you can go with T2202 form, which is a tuition and education amounts. T2202 and unused amounts. You pay post-secondary tuition and or you have unused tuition fee credits from the prior year. So yeah, just fill everything looking at your T2202 form. Everybody gets from their college. Just fill that form. Whatever form you have, whatever form you have received from your employer, just search for that here, and you will be able to fill every detail over here. And let's say you haven't received any T4 forms from your employer and you are supposed to file tax returns. Do not worry about it. CRA will adjust everything because your employer has to pay them taxes. Like, CRA will already have your details that you have already worked because you give your SIN number, right? Social insurance number. So do not worry about it. If you do not have any T4 forms or any T4 forms are missing, CRA will adjust everything accordingly. If you drove for Uber or Lyft, you must be having HST number. So just go for business, professional and commission income. Click on that and you can fill your HST number. You can fill all your details under self-employed income, and you can put out all your expenses, income and everything. And yeah, you have to fill this form also. If you have done Uber, fill out all the details over here in this section. Yeah, once you click on check and optimize, it will show you all the errors and you can again go through everything. Yeah, you can also link your direct deposit. Once you file your taxes, it will take about 10 days to get your money, and every month you will get some GST credit. So tax returns vary from person to person. It depends on how many hours you worked, how much money you made, and what are the benefits you're claiming from government and everything. So it really depends. So once you are done with this, you can submit and you can file your taxes in such way. When it comes to creating a CRA account, so you can find the CRA login link in the description. You can just go through that. So click on register for CRA. Enter your social insurance number. Later they'll ask you your date of birth and few other details. Just fill them out. Once you are done filling everything, CRA won't give you access to the entire profile or all the details. They'll give you only limited access, and they'll send you an access code to your mail. Once you get that mail, try to create an account using that particular access code. Once you have a CRA account, it is really useful because you can go through what's going on with your profile. So I'll just log in and show you how the CRA account looks like. So it will give you the update of your tax returns, your previous returns and everything. You'll have all the details over there, and you will also have the details like how much GST or HST credit you will get every month, and you'll also know when your Ontario Trillium benefit credits are gonna be in your account, and it will also show you the RRSP and TFSA details for your particular account. Yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have a child, you can add child, and even having a child in Canada gives you certain benefits. Again, it depends on your income. If you're making a lot of money, you might not get those benefits. I'm not too sure about that. If you think I missed something in this video, just let me know by commenting below this video. Whoever reads your comment, it'll help them. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.